Some students wrote me emails to ask whether I have systematic Chinese pronunciation course. Good news, I just published it today. So in this course, I will get you the Chinese pronunciation step by step. And it includes 4 units. In Unit 1, I will introduce you the basic knowledge about the Chinese pronunciation system. And in Unit 2, we learn the Chinese pinyin one by one. Then in Unit 3, we will practice the tone combinations with HSK1 words. And in Unit 4, we will practice the Chinese pronunciation with daily expressions. Okay, and I would like to offer you an early bird prize. The early bird prize will last for 5 days and it will expire on June the 11th. So if you want the early bird prize, you just come to my homepage, Marco Polo Mandarin, and then click this button and you will find the right link for the early bird prize. Okay, see you.